My name matter down, my spliff hot so hot. Then I talk about skill them mad could they? Me do laugh watch you to them chat could they? Bella go off and my name mention me use them.
You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. How hope everybody good? How hope everybody alright? So for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, yeah, definitely I gonna be the first to know. And people, we still have to bad merch them. So just go over teesprings.com/stores/ChaddyMurray to place your order today. And people, we still have the Sickle Strong promotion going on for every purchase of the Sickle Strong shirt or the Sickle Strong merch, the Sickle Strong brand. The proceedings will go towards a sickle cell child that is in need.
My name matter down, my spliff hot so hot. Then I talk about skill them mad.
So people, me know me have some explaining to do because it's been a couple weeks now. I have been MIA, missing in action. But people, my promise you know, it's for a good reason. We can't take it that some did kind of depend on like a vacation. But now we back for putting the work and them thing there. And people, me must update Uno as well. Uno I got definitely see some more content I got out there. Let's say that, you know what, we are gonna leave it right there. So vibes to Skilly Bang, new song entitled Hot, and it's definitely hot.
She said, you want make money, then black boss kill it. My pop smoke, so my name pop.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
So honestly, I don't know if I bad lucky or me just love the mix up. As me choose for found back on YouTube this big mix up going between Spice, Jada Kingdom, Shenseea, and now recently me see Shaniel Muir enter the chat. But before we talk a little bit about that, we have to touch upon the fact how Beenie Man, the self-proclaimed king of the dancehall, him and Crystal is no longer together. How me know? Check out this little clip.
Crystal Thompson and Moses Davis okay, we are apart.
So the whole of social media really upset about the whole situation. I'm not telling a lie, me personally kinda upset as well. But we are gonna elaborate on it and kinda make you know what really take place. What really take place. But first, we are gonna talk about this new song by a dancehall artist Staggy entitled Black Magic, and I must add the producer for that one here, Bad Citizen. Big up yourself, people. Check it out.
Just disappear like magic. Hard for me stab it. Girl, the jump coulda pass for a rabbit. She a ask if a Staggy how me deal with the crabbit. She little her need coulda pass for a dolly.
No, Staggy, me not tell a lie. This song and everything, this song bad. Some lyrics in this song still is quite controversial because some white wonder say, yo, did Staggy really say that? Even the cover art people, look at the cover art. Yes, he said the cover art dark. But me kinda get the feeling, me kinda get the theme where them did a go for. Even the rhythm itself was produced by Bad Citizen. It named Dark Massive. So, me know them did a go for that dark something there. But one might say, Jano Staggy, you gone too far now. Anyway, the song, but
One Benz don't cheap. Big fat Benz make girl leap. Hope your man grant my wish. Unlimited riches me seek. So me just go a friend make money off kin. When you hear me a sing, do nothing a talking.
so from those couple line, I don't think I have to explain nothing in this song. And then me telling you, this song is entitled Black Magic. So people, you can go and go check it out. And want to give me an honest feedback. So state your opinion in the comment section below. And plus, want to go on over the song. A link will be provided in the comment section for the song. So just go on over the song, check it out, and state your honest opinion there as well. And me have to big up Bad Citizen again because this is the first track released on the Dark Massive rhythm. Yeah, the rhythm I listened a while ago, it's entitled Dark Massive. And him still have a couple more tracks for drop. Him have tracks coming from Cheeky Grains, and me know say uno look out for that one day. And also Power Dana RG One Fit Ashado Flex, and others. So people, wanna look out for that. I don't know, say when it drop, me I go make you know again. So once more, let's listen to Staggy Black Magic on the Dark Massive Rhythm, produced by Bad Citizen.
For no dirt, I hell me style tougher than turkey shell. Bad cologne for your girl smell. Me drop asleep, night crown, wake up, is still a drive. Mama see her, she reverse the spell.
People, oh God, what we're gonna do this now? Yeah, Crystal Thompson and Moses Davis is, yeah, okay, we are apart. We are not together anymore. It's not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect. It's just people just grew apart and yeah, life changed, that's it. And yeah, so me, free singer disengaged. She, free singer ready to engage. So, blessing. Yeah, anyway, when you do president, swearing, what am I going to do?
So Moses Davis dropped that video on his Instagram page yesterday, along with the caption, "Moving forward, 4 years and folding." Now over by Crystal Tomlin's page, she kinda dropped the bomb a little bit calmer, a little bit softer, where she uploaded a photograph of Beenie Man and herself with the caption, "5 years and folding." A part of growth is knowing when things have come to an end, knowing not to force it, knowing to let it be, living while there is love and not waiting until it's dry, empty and full of animosity, knowing to choose peace and trusting that all things work together for our good. I've remained silent for a while on this question, not to keep a secret, but to get clear, certain, and centered. I am clear, I am certain, I'm centered. This chapter on love, written with love, is closed.
I feel like this is coming to an end.
Well, if I tell you the truth, I did really see them thing and rate them thing. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. Couple times last year, though, rumors circulating that they are not together. Come up like 2 times last year. But them they dispel it and said they are together. So I guess them finally decide to put it out in the public right now. And some people kind of a little bit confused because Beenie Man said it was 4 years. However, on the other hand, Crystal said it was 5. So one mystery here they were against them never certain if they are together or they weren't together. And we are talking the time span of their relationship. But however, big up to Crystal Tomlinson and big up to Beenie Man. That is a small clip of Jada Kingdom performance in Miami on Sunday. And people, from the looks of it, it looked like she shelled down the place till she took it to Instagram, uploaded bits and clips and pieces with the caption, "Thank you, West Palm Beach, Florida. Love you know. And a million thanks to my mentor at Spice Official. I love you, Queen. Enough artists now want big up who come before them and give credit to who them learn from. Me never have that in a me. Hashtag Gaza Unruly Eastside is it. Hashtag Eastside Queen and hashtag K-Mob. Now from Jada Kingdom post up that little something there, a bag of controversy go on. You see me? Because people have it for say she a shade Shenseea. A matter of fact, even Shenseea took it to her Instagram and kinda react to it. She never call nobody name still, you know. But as soon as Jada Kingdom post that and tag Spicy Night and call her the queen of dancehall, she took it to her Instagram and post this. And that's her Instagram story. Bad mind can't hide with makeup. Hashtag bad alone. Hashtag not in a gang. So people are say Shenseea talk about Spice and Jada Kingdom. I said them a team up. You see me? And why this would have probably offend Shenseea. Ever since Shenseea freestyle, people start say, you know, she is the the queen of the dancehall. A matter of fact, Nuffy forward out publicly and say a Shenseea around the thing right now.
Tell them say a Shen, Y-E-N-G, yang different, no depend pan man fi ascend. Me high-end best, a the best creme de la creme. Meeting up, no pin up, me no hem.
No, this is when the mix up get marinated and get a little bit spicy. When Spice took it to her Instagram page and repost the post that Jada Kingdom made with this caption, "Thanks at Jada Kingdom. Your appreciation mean a lot to me. In all my years in this industry, I've never been tagged by a female artist to say they watched and learned anything from me. You told me even on Clubhouse that you used to sit and watch my performance. And look at you now, mashing up everywhere you go. Big up yourself, Mama Heavy. Your art speaks volume. I'm a big fan. I'm so proud of you and your growth is impeccable." Now, I want to zoom in on the line where Spice said no artist, she have never been tagged by no artist in the industry. A lot of people are make a mountain off of that quote because them a say Shenseea tag her a lot, Shenseea post her a lot, and you know how the internet stay. It don't forget. The internet bring up some little past posts where Shenseea make a show acknowledgement to Spice. So Spice never really like our name being thrown around, make it look like say yo, a feud is on the horizon. So Spice took it to her Instagram story and make this post where she try clear up everything. Now Spice say, and I quote, "I've never been tagged by a female to say they watched and learned anything from me. You told me on Clubhouse that you used to watch my performance and look at you now." End of quote. How is this a lie or shade? Y'all twist words to reflect what you want. I'm too successful to be arguing over dumb shit. Hashtag good night. Spice clap back.
Don't feel away, I feel away. I feel away.
So I guess that is that right there, people. More wanna tell me what to think about the whole situation. You feel like so the people I'm just digging it too much, or there's some truth to the whole argument and Spice really appreciates I feel like Shenseea come take her crown. Anyway, still, Spice post on her Instagram page today because Spice now in a them baga the controversy there with dancehall artist, upcoming dancehall artist Shaniel Muir. So Spice make sure shout her out, and from the look of things, it look like say them are gonna do a music video. It look like say them are do a music video. It's not confirmed, but it look like that. But Spice uploaded this photograph and tag Shaniel Muir in it with the caption, "At Shaniel Muir, I see side my band, so me just post this before you hear say me kill Jesus and cut him slippers. Big up yourself, me girl. Go on, mash up the road." So you know, say that is a shout out right there. And when me look on Shaniel Muir page, Shaniel Muir have a photograph on her Instagram. It would have look like at the same settings, it would have look like at the same place them there, but it's still not confirmed. But me just feel like said it one of them have a song, and chances are it goodly produced by good and a goodly shasha bling blang shoot it. Big up on yourself if my theory correct. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, and don't forget to follow me over Instagram or over there, so there at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you want to support the channel and don't know how, head on over to teespring.com/stores/ChaddyMurrayTV and just hold one of them bad merch there. It's for a word cause you don't know, say a whole heap of work we are putting at this. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My God.